live. Let's go. Get a good enough audience to start asking some questions. Start answering some questions. Said I'd be on in 10 minutes. I'm on. Good morning, good morning. Hi. Questions. Let's see, we're up to 1,000. Let's go. Some good following. I'll answer some questions. Kelly, will you be captain of the Stars next season? No, I don't think I will. Don't know who will. We never say never though. Let's never say never. See where we get to. Never ever say never. Will India win this test match? I haven't even seen the scores. I just saw Nathan Lyon got 8 for the other day. What's your feeling for the gigantic 6 in charging? It's lucky it ended up in the right area. It's where I wanted it. Golf swing, booyakasha, out the ground. Performance in India's test match. I might need to have a look at that test match. I don't have the remote control on me at the moment. It's over there. I might be doing something good. Who knows? Greatest performance last night. Unfortunate, frustrating. What can you do? Riley's out, myself out, Wright's out, Mills is out. I don't think anything more could have been expected, if I'm honest. It is what it is. What can you do? Will I be back at the Stars next season? 100% yes. Absolutely. I wish the BBL started tomorrow. I'd jump on a plane. Could I put myself in this year's auction? Yeah. I didn't want to go to India for 8 weeks. I just can't do it. I've been travelling since October. I've been on an aeroplane almost every week. Dubai was actually a nice break. I was just in a hotel and travelling by bus, and it was actually quite a nice break just being in one place for a while. So no, unfortunately, it's not happening. It's not happening. Not happening. Not happening. Volunteer. Quinta lost. Yes, they did lost. Do you feel that the current international test team is more in favour of the home team? Not so sure. Not so sure. Haven't looked into it. People love you in Pakistan. I love the tournament. The tournament was great in Dubai. Unfortunately, a family decision, which was made before the tournament. The outcome was I wasn't going to travel to Lahore, so it is what it is. Yep, I'm sure you did. It looked like it was good. It looked pretty good from what I saw. And I'm glad that nothing happened. But unfortunately, not for me. Will you be captain of Quetta Gladiators next season? Nope. What are you doing? Love the wildlife, great initiative. Thanks, Turin. I'll be in South Africa in a few weeks' time. Safari and seeing some stuff again. Love Africa. My favourite place, the bush in Africa. Did I watch the final? I watched a little bit of the final. I didn't watch all of it, just watched a little bit of it. I was busy. It's Sunday. I've got the kids. I've got 2 young kids. Cricket's not a priority. How do you always seem to stay so upbeat and motivated? Jeff, I'm in a very fortunate position where I'm able to do what I love, and I never take it for granted. I love what I do. I love these tournaments, and I'm a positive person. I don't do negativity. Negativity's for mugs. Just live my life, enjoy my life, look after my family, and I cruise, brother. That's all I do. I cruise. What are your thoughts on England one-day series win? To be honest, I didn't even know they were playing in a one-day series. I saw some stuff on social media, but yeah, it's good. It's good. Champions Trophy will be big. Come on, more questions. Favourite Ashes moment, day 5. In 2005, the Oval, and also beating Australia in Australia. Pretty good. Why didn't you come to Pakistan? Security issue. Obviously it's turned out to be okay and the players are off and they're out of there, and that's wonderful. But I was told that it wouldn't be a good idea to travel, and so I didn't travel. I didn't want to travel to somewhere where I thought it would have been a little bit of a risk. I've got a young family and it was a family decision. It had absolutely nothing to do with what Imran Khan said. See, that's been floated around quite a bit in the media in Pakistan. It had absolutely nothing to do with that. So it was a decision that was made before the tournament. I wouldn't be travelling to Lahore. So that's what happens. Thanks for your rhinos. Yes. Wondering who's your favourite Stars player? Please say my name. Matt Ross. Not sure who Matt Ross is, if I'm honest. Congratulations, your most commented video. Who do you think will be the Champions Trophy in June this year? It's all weather dependent. Weather. It's the luck of the draw and the weather. If it's overcast, swings around, anyone could win. Beautiful clear days. There's about 3 or 4 teams that could win. No security issues. Other players came. Look, everybody is great. Hassan, my decision, you've got to respect my decision. I respect their decision. And I made the decision before the tournament. So I respect them. Let them go. Wonderful. I'm glad that it turned out okay. But it was my decision not to travel. Your presence in PSL is more than anything for us. Stay blessed. Thanks, Ali. Cheers, buddy. If I wasn't playing for the Stars, who would I play for? Sixers. Are you doing a bike ride in October for the PCA? No, October I'm travelling, I think. I'm doing a bike ride, however, in July. Nottingham to Southampton to London. And that, my friend, is going to be an absolute rip snorter. It's 100 miles a day. Why do you think I'm on the bike? Spinning my legs, getting ready. I've got 4 months of preparation. We'll wake up early in the morning or late. I have 2 kids. Take a guess. If the situation gets better in Pakistan, will you come and play? I'll monitor the situation on it. Monitor it. Opportunity presents itself, I'll have to have another look at it. But it just wasn't to be. Sorry. My favourite batsman right now, Virat. Done. No problem. That's it. That's my man. KP, you missed here in Melbourne. Good luck. Best personality ever. I mean, missed in Melbourne. I'll be back soon. How do you turn your mindset around when you know that a bowler is on top of you? Go back to your practice, concentrate on your practice, live with your practice. You're a legend, probably one of my sporting idols. What are you doing for Rhino? This is amazing. Thanks, Jordan. They don't have a voice. I'll be the voice for them. Oh, goodness, sorry. I clicked on something there. No. Hey, a lot of love. Look at these hearts flickering around the screen. Jesus, peace. Respect your decision, but don't think you come here. People in Pakistan remember years after. You're a superhero of our country. It was good. It's my decision. I make the decisions around here, whether I want to do it or not. So, respect it. If you don't respect it, you can jog on. Beautiful. have made Quetta win. I don't know if I would have made Quetta win. I might have got out for 0 or 3 or 4. I can't say that I would have made Quetta win at all. We would have got a better chance of winning if myself, Riley, Luke Wright and Mills were there, but it wasn't to be. It is what it is. It's news now. It won't be news in 3 weeks' time. How do you rate? Hassan is the best emerging player in the PSL. The guy played for us, the youngster. Best fielder, wonderful bowler, and a lovely kid. A lovely, lovely kid. Hassan was outstanding. Definitely, we were so lucky to have him as our emerging player. KP, do you like Liverpool? Nope. I don't mind Liverpool, but Chelsea's my team. Chelsea's my team. You had to go to Pakistan, you did a mistake. Abra, what's your point? No views, you've clearly stated. I disagree. It is what it is. Will I be watching West Ham vs Chelsea tonight? Chelsea will win. I might be watching, but I'll be at Stamford Bridge next week. Chelsea vs Man United. The return of Jose. I'll be there. I'll be in the director's box. Chelsea, Chelsea. Oh, days. Right, I think I've answered enough about that freaking no-show yesterday in Lahore, so can you stop going on about it, please? One word for the 16th word has. Massive. Jeez. Email coming through here. Good, Dave. Enjoy. He's a lovely man. Remember your 6 against Shane Warne. And I feel after hitting that, it was too long ago. Too long ago, my man. Yeah, we're into 1,300 views on this. Oh. How can you keep your cool and not slog when I open the batting? Give yourself time and then swing from your ring, brother. Play some golf. Get a good swing going. Man United all the way. Nah. Come on, dude. Come on. According to you, who won the second test between India and Australia? I haven't seen the scores. And I don't know. I haven't got a clue. No. Let's see the other side of the room. Can't get it. Chelsea will lose to United. How much do you want to bet, Osama? What do you think of Lyons bowling? I haven't seen his wickets. Respect from Pakistan, which is good. Come on, keep it interesting whilst I'm going to go. Keep it interesting whilst I'm out of here. Come on, keep it interesting. You sit up for a while. Hi sir, how are you? I'm good. I miss you, yes, miss you. Let's have a look here. Some weights. Sample the weights. Oh, smokes. Pietersen, I need the room to temperature that I need the room to, so I can train at that temperature before I go. Just reminding me before. Sometimes I can't tell how to breath. The question is, last time I felt that way for that. I don't know. Not at the moment. What's this? It's like I'm back it up. Oopsie. I'm back. Look at the faces coming across the stream. Send me a load of those. Oh. Angry faces. Who's sending angry faces? Slap yourself. Slap yourself. Ugh. The hearts. Yeah, we like the hearts. Hearts are cool. Loads of them. Okay, wink. Winks. I'm not playing in the RPL now. Ooh la la. Tell you what, it's quite entertaining doing this. You can see how mental I'm getting. 25 minutes in. I started off quite calm 10 minutes ago. I'm turning into a numpty. Dudes, come on. Better questions asked. I'm out of here. Come on. Je t'aime. There we go. Easy. Bit of French on my timeline. Never thought that would happen. Oh. We share the same birthday. And I'm probably older than you by the looks of it. Why the angry faces? If you send an angry face, slap yourself. Slap yourself. Once you've slapped yourself, send a few of these. Bang! Bang yourself. Temperature to just been butler. Boom. Pretty shout out to my girlfriend. Really make her happy. Hello, Daniel, Peter's girlfriend. Right, has anybody got any golf questions? Golf. I'm a professional golfer, a part-time cricketer. So park down with all your cricket questions and go the golf route. No more cricket. Sick of that. Sick of that. I won't be playing cricket for a while. Sick of your golf cricket questions. Come on, any slaps? The numpties flying across the screen, your angry faces. Look at your numpties. Numpty, 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 numpty. More numpties. There are plenty more hearts there, thank you. Right. I asked you not to send any more cricket questions. You send me cricket questions. Why do you love yourself so much at once with the New Zealand accent? Karen, you don't even have a profile picture up on your screen. It's no partner. You would have copped a spray. I'm a pro golfer. I bet you're not. Oh my days. Well, look at the hearts coming through. Oh, there we go. Golf's coming. Favourite course? The new course at Wentworth. The West course looks sensational. Can't wait to play it in a few weeks. Leopard Creek in South Africa. Mwah. Mwah. Tiger's done. I don't think Tiger's particularly done. I think he's going to play a lot less. Sport still needs Tiger. The man's a king. He's a king. King. Oh, look at the hearts. I've got to up my training now. I'm into half an hour. I've got to spin quicker. Oh, la, la. Will I be in Melbourne next year? Jaden, I've said that about 75 times already, yes. Do you see yourself playing pro golf? I'm a pro golfer, Steve. I'm a pro golfer. Okay? I'm a pro golfer. Hearts, love you. You're the best. No, I'm not. Yes, I'm a Chelsea supporter. Yeah. Ooh la la. The temperature's at about 25 degrees in here. Is it? I think so. It's reflection on the monitor. Oh. Please can you say my name? John Joseph. Gunn, John Joseph. Who's the best cricketing golfer you've ever played against? Ricky Ponting. That's my man. Ricky Ponting, outstanding. Cleanest ball striker. Hell of a player. Okay, where you have now? I'm in my house. In my house. Oh well, Steve, don't worry. I'm on. I'm on, brother. I'm on. An hour after this, practicing my chipping. Not so good from 100 yards in. I've got to sort that out. Get off the tee box, no drama. 100 yards in. Just don't have the right club. I reached over 5,500 people in half an hour. Oh, just saying, I should have watched David Warner. If someone had to sink a 20-foot putt for your life, who would you choose? Spieth or Luke Donald? Best golf player in the stars, besides me, still me. Where is Niall Horan? I just spoke to him actually this morning. I'm trying to get a game of golf with him on Friday. Shut up, Shoaib. Slap yourself. Who's better, Chelsea, Hazard and Kante? They'll both be sensational. Right, here's a question for you. Send me a load of these or a load of those. Can you guys see the questions that are flying up on the screen? These or those? Yes, we can see all the questions. No, we can't see all the questions. Let me know. Can you see all them all? A lot of yeses. Yes. Ah, so you can see all the questions. Ah, okay. Oh, cool. Oh, that's good. So you know what people are asking me for my answers. That's good. Okay. Sweet as. I have a flag of my country with your signature. I got this from my friend. Thank you, Kay. Oh, that's cool. Cool, man. Cool. Tell you what, you're an entertaining lot. Taking me through my training session beautifully here. Come on, let's up it. Oh, yeah. Let's go a bit uphill. Shall we go uphill? Let's go up a bit. How are you, KP? Pretty freaking tired at the moment. Give me a shout. Peter Andonopoulos. How's that? The pronunciation of the surname? Andonopoulos. I need to catch up on this Indian-Australian test match. Too many questions, don't know the answers. Should call my wife and ask her to remote. Oh, flying up a hill at the moment. Heart rate's 140 reps per minute. Some 500 calories since I started talking to you. I ate that much chocolate last night. I want to be here all day. I'm close to finishing. I'm very close to finishing. Come on. Oh. Yeah. How many calories? Over 500. Handicap going to be at the end of the year. 5.7 now. I'd like to get it to about 2 or 3 by the end of the year. I'd love to. Absolutely love to. Mother. Oh, family time. Can't swear. Can't swear. Can't swear. Cannot swear. That's the time. Past 11. No time for swearing now. None. Enough of a help. continues. In the garden having a beer, gotta love Perth. Peter Jocks, yeah, lekker place, lekker. En then if you speak Afrikaans, kan is daar iemand hierso wat Afrikaans praat? Kom. Gooi 'n bietjie Afrikaans. Kom julle. Kom. Afrikaans. Wat sê julle? Kan julle Afrikaans praat? Ek gaan nie Engels praat nie, nou gaan ek Afrikaans praat. Hoor. Kom. Kom almal. Afrikaners. Kom nou. Kom, vra vir my. Ja, maak. Ek werk by die huis. Bliksem, nou is ek moeg. Nou is ek donders moeg. Ek kan in Afrikaans vloek, ek weet. Afrikaanse vloekwoorde? Ja. Ek gaan nie verstaan. Miskien het ek, Jared. Miskien het ek. Want ek praat Afrikaans. So as jy wil met my nou praat, moet jy Afrikaans praat. Na 35 tot 40 minute op my fiets, praat ek Afrikaans. Hoor jy my? Kom nou, Afrikaners. Such a lekker taal. Lekker taal. Afrikaners. Lekker, proppe manne. Kom Afrikaners. Praat vir my. Ja, julle. Kom. Lekker Shama, lekker. Holy smokes. Isha. Did you get that now? Yeah. Can you pass me the remote control for here, please? I just want to put on the test match. Is it? Can you give me the one from the cinema? Right, I'm getting the remote. I want to see what's happening in India. Just change it. So here we go. Have a look and see what's happening with that Indian test match. Here we go. Huh? Highlights. What the hell's going on? Is the day over? Is the day over? What's going on here? Australia smoking them. Oh, right. India might be coming back into the game. What are the scores? Nothing's on here. Live. It's off. It's finished. What was on? tell you what is on. Oh, is she? Okay, turn it off. It's fine. It's off anyway. Sorry, babe. Okay. See what happens in my house? I get in trouble. I turn off Peppa Pig to watch the cricket, and I get shouted at. Shouted at. And the little girl has control. She has control. Quite right too. I'm on a bicycle. She'll be watching if I'm on this. Holy smokes. Right dudes, I'm going into a tough phase. I don't think I can do much talking. Goosed. So, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for training with me. I'm sweating like you've never seen me sweat. Feels like I've been in the pool. But I'm going to finish this off now without you. Wish me luck, baby. Wish me luck. So, I have to call it quits and I'm going to load this up later. Goodbye and bye-bye.